Hi everyone! Game over on this LC200. We upgrade the mugs to 20-inch Vogue Racing TE37 Ultra Large PCD Custom Colorway with the discontinued model forged aluminum center cap, not for the fainted heart. Wrapped in NITTO tires. And of course, we upgrade the brakes to the biggest BREMBO GT. This is an 8-pot piston caliper. As you can see how big the caliper. Even this is a 22-inch wheels. The caliper is almost feel the gap on it. The owner choose the yellow finish on it. And this is a cross drill rotor for better cooling. For the rear, this is a 4-pot caliper because the original is only 2-pot. And this is straight, all original BREMBO. Even the steel braided hose, the bracket. This is the rear rotor cross drill. You can see the quality. This is compared to the mini big brake rotor caliper by Auto Art. And also for the suspension, we use only the best TEIN Enduro Pro Plus series. This is a 16 ways adjustable damping for better handling. No more body roll on your LC. And also, we replace the rear coil spring so that it will get the level look of the vehicle. Get your original, authentic Vogue Racing wheels and BREMBO big brake kit here at PRS. No to fake. Stay safe always. See you soon. Bye.